Ready to dip your toes into the world of crypto but have no idea where to start? Maybe you've heard of exchanges, but they all sound confusing, or perhaps you're wondering, is there a platform that's actually secure and easy to use? You're in the right place. Today, we're doing a deep dive into Gemini, one of the most reputable and secure cryptocurrency exchanges out there, and we're going to break down everything you need to know as a complete beginner. So, what exactly is Gemini? Think of it as your secure gateway to buying, selling, and storing digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, the platform's core mission is all about trust and safety. They are a regulated and licensed crypto exchange, which gives them a huge advantage in a space that can sometimes feel a little like the Wild West. For a beginner, this focus on security and compliance is a massive plus. Now, how do you get started? It's pretty straightforward. First, you'll need to create an account. This process involves providing your personal information and completing their verification process. It might take a little longer than some other exchanges, but that's a good thing. It's part of their commitment to security. Once you're verified, you can link your bank account to start funding your wallet. They support a variety of deposit methods, including ACH transfers, which are often free. Once your account is funded, it's time to buy your first crypto. The Gemini interface is clean and simple. You can easily navigate to the buy section, select the cryptocurrency you want, and enter the amount you wish to purchase. The process is designed to be as user-friendly as possible, so you don't need to be a finance expert to make your first trade. Now, let's talk about a few other key features. Gemini offers a mobile app, which makes trading on the go a breeze. They also have an advanced trading platform called Active Trader, but as a beginner, you don't need to worry about that right away. What you might be interested in is the Gemini credit card, which lets you earn crypto rewards on your everyday spending. Imagine earning Bitcoin every time you buy groceries or get gas. And a quick note on fees. Gemini's fee structure is transparent. For simple trades on the regular platform, there's a small convenience fee and a transaction fee, but for larger trades or those using the Active Trader interface, the fees can be significantly lower. It's always a good idea to check their fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. In summary, if you're a beginner looking for a secure, regulated, and easy-to-use platform to start your crypto journey, Gemini is an excellent choice. Its emphasis on security, coupled with its simple interface and additional features, makes it a top contender for anyone just starting out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.